Today, we're diving deep into one of the sleekest, smartest, and most AI-ready laptops of 2025. Microsoft Surface Laptop 6 Review Technology and Features. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 6 integrates cutting-edge technology to meet modern computing demands. Intel Core Ultra processors. Built with Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, the Surface Laptop 6 is optimized for AI-enhanced workloads, multitasking, and business-grade performance. The inclusion of Intel's NPU enables smoother AI tasks like image processing and real-time collaboration enhancements in Microsoft Teams. Windows 11 Pro. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, it's equipped with productivity-first features, enhanced security, seamless cloud integration, and a refined user interface tailored for hybrid workflows. Wi-Fi 6E support. Enjoy faster wireless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E, allowing for less interference and better speeds on compatible networks, ideal for remote work and HD streaming. Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C. Multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports ensure lightning-fast data transfers, external display support, and charging options for professionals on the go. PixelSense Touch Display. Available in 13.5-inch and 15-inch models, the Surface Laptop 6 features a crisp PixelSense display with touchscreen capability, Dolby Vision IQ support, and high contrast for brilliant color accuracy, perfect for creative workflows and media consumption. Surface Slim Pen. 2 compatibility. Artists and note-takers can utilize the Surface Slim Pen 2, which offers precise sketching and natural handwriting input, making it a great option for graphic designers or students. Performance. The Surface Laptop 6 is engineered for speed, security, and versatility. Processor options. Choose between Intel Core Ultra 5 or Ultra 7 models based on your computing needs. Memory. Configurable up to 64 GB LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring blazing fast multitasking. Storage. SSD options from 256 GB up to 1 TB, giving users a wide range of storage choices. Integrated Intel Arc graphics or Intel Iris Xe graphics, depending on configuration, which can handle light to moderate creative tasks and business workloads efficiently. Battery life. Up to 18 hours of usage on the 13.5-inch model and up to 19 hours on the 15-inch variant under typical usage, making it a solid choice for long days on the road or in meetings. Design. Microsoft's design philosophy shines in the Surface Laptop 6, premium aluminum body, sleek and durable, giving a clean, modern look. Color options. Available in platinum, matte black, and new shades like cobalt blue. Edge-to-edge keyboard and large precision trackpad for comfortable typing and seamless navigation. Ultra-slim bezels. Offers an immersive viewing experience. Backlit keyboard with tactile key response enhances usability in low-light environments. Weight and dimensions. 13.5-inch model. Weight, approximately 2.86 lbs. Dimensions, 12:1. x 8.8, x 0.57, 15-inch model. Weight, approximately 3.44 lbs. Dimensions, 13.4, x 9.6, x 0.58. Despite its powerful specs, the Surface Laptop 6 remains highly portable, ideal for both students and traveling professionals. Price. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 6 starts at $1,999.99 USD for the base model. Higher-end configurations with Intel Core Ultra 7, 32 GB plus RAM, and 1 TB SSD can cost up to $2,399.99 USD. Customizable configurations allow users to select a model that fits their budget and needs. Pros: great battery, sharp display, fast and quiet, lightweight, AI-ready. Cons: no GPU, pricey.